Hey friends, it's Cassidy, also known as Purple Ninja Pixel, and today I have a slightly terrified guest star. Come here. I have Sam! Oh look, you can sit in this one circle. Amazing. He's terrified. This is Sam. He is an African grey parrot. He is somewhere around 20 years old. I've talked about him in a vlog once, where I talked about all the pets, but that was a while ago, and he's biting my thumb. And it wasn't that great of a video. Hey. So, he's a bird, and he likes to do silly birdie things, so that's why I feel like he needs his own video. Can you give me a kiss? Kisses equals biting my face, apparently. Good boy! So one of my favorite things that Sammy does is simply walking on the ground, because parrots aren't exactly made to walk on the ground. They're meant to be on trees, and thought he was gonna bite me really hard. He also likes to fake bite. They're made to be on trees. Stop it. Stop. He's really upset right now because, you know, this camera is obviously gonna try and steal his soul, as he likes to believe. Do you want to sit on the perch? I brought him upstairs on his, this little travel perch, and it seems to upset him, but yet he stepped up. Ow! This is uncalled for. Good boy! Wow, you trust me enough on this perch to only be on one foot? He does this when he's stressed out. We can't get him to stop. Oh, creepy eyeball. Ooh. Where are you going? He's like, I want to leave. Hey. Can you be big? Big! Oh, good boy! Big! Big! He's really lazy and actually kind of fat. You can tell because, see that line on his stomach that he doesn't want me to touch isn't supposed to be there because there shouldn't be fat sticking out from that point. He's a little pudgy guy. He's a little pudgy guy and he doesn't like when you hit his stomach. Oh, he's a little pudgy guy! Hey. I'm trying to get him to be big because his wingspan's pretty cool compared to how little he is. Hey, I mean, he's not an eagle or anything. He just wants to be petted right now, apparently. So cute. You never let me pet you. What is this? He's like, it's better than you tapping my tummy. Don't tap my tummy, girl. Girl, don't tap my tummy. Hi. Ow. Oh, that hurts. Ow. 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 So yeah, now enjoy these various clips of Sammy, the derpy bird. That was an aggressive kiss. I thought you were going to bite my face.